So in this video, I'm going to show you how to combine and split names in a cell. There's two ways you can combine information in a cell. You can use a formula. It's a special little formula I learned. And you can also use a function, the concatenate function. I'm going to show you both ways. So all you have to do, using the formula that I kind of know, you can hit equals, select the first name cell, select an ampersand, and I want to separate the first name and the last name by space. So I'm going to put a quote here, space, quote, hit the ampersand sign again, and select the last name. And when I do that, the first and last name is combined, separated by space. I'm just going to drag this formula down, and all the names have been combined. The other way you can do this is you can use the concatenate function, and all you have to do is hit equals, concatenate, and select the first name, hit comma. Again, I want the first and last name separated by a space. So I'm gonna hit quote, space, quote, comma, and select the last name. And when I do that, first and last names have been combined, separated by a space in between, and Google Sheets is just asking me to auto fill. Now that's separated by a space. You don't have to separate the first and last name by a space. You can use a dash if you want, and if you want to use a dash, you can use the concatenate function again, equals concatenate. We're going to select the first name. We're going to, if I want it, like I said, separated by a dash, so I'm going to hit quote and select the dash in between, close quote, comma, and select the last name. And when I do that, now the first and last names are separated by a dash in between. You can play around with that. You can put dashes in between the last name, however you want to do it. Concatenate can do it all. That is how you will combine information in two different cells. But here's the other thing. You can also separate out information in a cell, and you can use the split function to separate information out. All you have to do, hit equals, split. It's asking what text do you want to split up, and we select this. It's asking like the delimiter. It's basically like, what do you want to split the first and last name by? I just want to split it by a space. I'll hold shift, quote, space, quote, close parentheses. And when I do that, it's going to split the first and last names into their own cells again. Now I can drag this down. Again, I have the first and last names broken out into their own cells. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe for more tips like this.